so today we are going to talk about how to add transition words to a revise and edit story, and how do I know I'm picking the right transition word. So what I want you to do is pause this video, and I want you to try it by yourself first. Just look at these 4 questions, and I have the story right here beside it for you, and think when it wants you to insert that transition word, which one is a good transition word? And although you're used to like next, then, finally, there are some transition words like however, for example, additionally. You see those over there. So pause this video and see if you can insert these, and we'll see if you get them correct. All right, so now let's see what you knew. It says, what transition word or phrase could best be added to the beginning of sentence 5? So in order to add a transition word, I have to read the sentence before it. I have to know what's happening first before I insert a sentence. So let's read sentence 4 and 5. It all started when Grandma made it for my 8th birthday. I was a little disappointed not to have a cake with Ninja Turtles on it, but disappointment soon turned into pure happiness. Okay, so what would be a good transition word? At first, I was a little disappointed not to have a cake with Ninja Turtles on it, but my disappointment soon turned into pure happiness. And I think that at first would be a good one, because in that sentence, they're talking about in the beginning I was this way, but then it changed. So that would be a good transition word. You always want to go through the list. So, however, I was a little disappointed not to have a cake, but my disappointment soon turned into pure happiness. For example, I was a little disappointed. He's not giving us an example of being disappointed. Or additionally, that means he's telling us more information and he's just beginning to tell us. So that wouldn't really go well either. But I think I would choose between A and B. However means like I'm telling you something, but then this happened. And so that one doesn't really go. It sounds good, but at first is the best because it tells us this happened and then there was a change. All right, sentence 6. So we just read sentence 5, but my disappointment soon turned into pure happiness. She encouraged me to give it a try. So, however, she encouraged me to give it a try. Next, she encouraged me to give it a try. After that, she encouraged me to give it a try. Or, to my surprise, she encouraged me to give it a try. So which one of these do you think? Okay. You probably saw the answer. I was making sure I was right. It says, however, she encouraged me to give it a try. Because he said I was disappointed, but however, she made me try it. So we would want to use however. All right, beginning of sentence 7. So we said, however, she encouraged me to try it. Blank, I was sold after just one bite. Also, I was sold. To my surprise, I was sold after just one bite. At last, or additionally. I'm going to say B. To my surprise, I was sold after just one bite. Because he didn't think he would like it, but surprisingly, he did. So to my surprise would be a good transition word there. All right, last one. Blank. Oh, let's read the sentence before. Ever since then, it has become a tradition to have cheesecake on my birthday. Blank, Grandma even put a Ninja Turtle toy on top of the cheesecake. On Saturday, Grandma did that. The next day, every year, Grandma even put, or the next year, Grandma even put a Ninja Turtle toy on top of the cheesecake. So I'm going to go with the next year because he's talking about in that sentence, ever since then. So he's talking about like not really the future, but kind of the future. So he's saying moving forward, this is what happened. And so the next year, Grandma even put a Ninja Turtle on it would make the most sense. So this week we are going to be practicing inserting transition words with lots of different things. So today was just an introduction and a practice, and tomorrow you will have some more work on your own to do.